about a little fact or fiction today about the dentist? Today, Dr. Mariam Rostami joins us from Great Expressions Dental Centers to help us debunk some myths. How are you, doctor?
Doing great. Thanks for having me.
I'm so excited that you're here because I think this is kind of a fun way to get across some dental information, and perhaps it's some things that you've once believed and now we're going to find out it's true or not. So,
sure.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, the first myth, it's not that big of a deal if my gums bleed.
Well, think about it. If you're washing your hands and your hands are bleeding, then you're probably going to run to a doctor and make sure that everything is okay. So it's kind of like the same concept. So if your gum is bleeding, your body is trying to tell you a sign and the symptoms of either inflammation, infection, or a possible gum disease.
So it is not something that we should just kind of ignore and...
Absolutely not. That's why we wanted to stick to the routine checkup every 6 months, and then make sure that if anything going wrong, so we can prevent it, and we can put you in a road of the recovery faster.
What about this one? The more I brush my teeth, or the more the people brush their teeth out there, the healthier the teeth will be.
Well, actually, if you're brushing more, if you're over-brushing, you can wear the teeth.
Wait a second, there's a thing as over-brushing?
Yes, you can actually take off a tooth structure.
Ooh.
So it will cause for more dental damages. We want you to stick to the routine of at least twice a day, morning and night.
Okay.
And then if you want to really stay clean through the day, rinse it, and then floss it after each meal, and then you can use the sugar-free gum, so avoid the plaque buildup.
Okay, I was going to ask about when the flossing works in there. So you say floss after every meal, so floss more than you brush?
No, if you really want to keep it clean instead of brushing. But flossing is not putting that damage as much as over-brushing doing.
And if you brush your teeth 10 times a day, it's not going to definitely benefit the teeth.
It's not going to do it.
I'm digging this. I'm digging this. What about x-rays? I know there's kind of a stigma sometimes with dental x-rays that people don't want to have them often as they should because they think that it could cause cancer.
We get this question often. A lot of patients are concerned if you're getting a dental x-rays, we're getting a radiation.
Yeah.
Honestly, if you stay outside, especially if you're living in Florida, you get more radiation than you get it from the full set of the x-ray. So if you skip the x-ray, I basically will be more concerned that you're missing something, that we have to diagnose it at the earliest stage.
How many times should you get x-rays a year, with that being said?
Well, it's usually every 6 months when you get your routine checkup.
Every 6 months, and no, it will not cause cancer.
It will not cause a cancer.
Okay, what about this one? You don't have to worry about taking your children to the dentist until they have at least 2 teeth.
Well, it's highly recommended you take them when they have their first teeth. And the reason is not just to check that teeth, to establish an early dental home and get them more familiar with the dental office, and then also basically get more education how to take care of those baby teeth to prevent any kind of early childhood caries, which is very common nowadays.
Interesting. Well, I want to point out a few things, though, that your 25 locations across the Bay Area is offering. You've got a special, and you want to point out people who might not have the best insurance. You can help them, too.
Yes, we do have 25 locations, and I'm currently practicing at the new Tampa Wesley Chapel office, and we do offer basically everything as far as the child care, orthodontic, and then endodontic treatment, oral surgeon, aesthetic dentistry, and we accept all the insurances. We do even have the discounted dental plan for the patient that they don't have insurances. And currently the special that we have is Invisalign, $125 per month.
Oh, wow. Okay, again, right there on your screen, that is a wonderful deal. Can't stress enough the 25 locations in Tampa, so I'm sure you've got one close to your home. And then there's the website too, greatexpressions.com, for more information. Thanks for coming on today. This was fun.
Thanks for having me.
Educational. You are so welcome.
Thank you.